Come to the Pacific Bus Museum's 2025 annual open house on Sunday, August 17th. We are located in Fremont, California at 37974 Shin Street. We will be open from 11 a.m. until 3 p.m. The event will feature vintage buses covering over 100 years of motor bus history. We will have a flea market with bus collectibles and merchandise. There will be a barbecue and a raffle for prizes. The event admission is free. The cost of the barbecue is $17 for adults and $10 for children 10 and under. Come see our over 100 years of buses from 1924 to the present. You will experience the wonder of these machines and learn about their vital role in California history. In addition to our museum buses, members and friends will bring their guest buses that can only be seen here at our annual open house. Additional information is available on the museum website at pacbus.org, pacbus.org, or on the museum's Facebook page, which is Pacific Bus Museum. If you have any questions, please contact us by email at info@pacbus.org. All proceeds from this event go to the Pacific Bus Museum, which is a tax-exempt community benefit organization registered in the state of California. When you come, be sure to check out our newest addition. This is our 1924 Fragile Safety Coach that ran as number 216 for Peninsula Charter Lines in Palo Alto, California. We're thrilled to have this 100-year-old running and driving beauty back home in California.
Fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole. It might take up to 5 times, so.
Come for the buses, stay for the barbecue, see the merchandise, check out all the memorabilia on the wall, and even take a peek into our archive room. Come visit us in Fremont, California.